Welcome back to this training in C programming for beginner. I am going to explain about variable and data type. Variable and data type in C programming language, and more or less all programming languages, it has similar explanation. Okay, at first let me create a file touch first dot C. Okay, now first dot C. Now how we code, this is our code, include stdio.h header, okay, integer main method, sorry, function. In Java language it is actually function, return 0 and printf hello new line one. Okay, now let's say I want to print, let's say I want to write integer a equal to 3, okay, equal to 1. Integer, what is integer? Integer is complete number, full, like 1, 2, 3. This is integer. And if I write float, it is fraction, float and double. And if I write character chr, it is like this, just letter, 1 letter and with single quote. Okay, and got it. That is, okay, delete this. That's all. What is integer? This is integer. Okay. What is variable? Variable, this is variable a, because let's say our hand, we hold a cup. We can hold a cup, we can hold a book, we can hold a pen, we can hold laptop. Okay, we can hold something. A is something like this, and this number is changeable. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, like we can hold a cup, we can hold a book, like A can hold 1, A can hold 2, A can hold 3, A can hold 4. This is how it works. All right, this is how it works. Now let's say I want to print 1, correct? So to print, we have to follow a syntax, nothing but syntax, that this is percentage d for integer, okay, and n. So this is going to print, this is gcc. Okay, now ls, we say a out, a forward slash a. Now you see this value is minus, very long value, right? This is incorrect. That's, so we have to type, there is a mistake. The mistake is here, we have to add, where is this nano? Okay, we have to add what we want to print. We want to print a, right? Comma a. That is the mistake. You can see this is easier with I do not edit the video. Clear gcc, run it. Yeah. Now you see it prints 1. All right. This prints 1. Now I want to print, let's say, where is this? Okay, this is, it is printing 1 because it is integer. Now I want to show how to print float. float, float. We have to write float. Say b equal to 1.5 or 1.4, and character, okay, character c equal to, let's say, a. How we will print? This is the one, right? We have to write print f What's here, and here for float you have to use f. F means it is float. And for new line, this is syntax and B. Alright, semicolon and print f %C in C. This is character. Here is print typing mistake, print. Save it, GCC. So semicolon, we have to use a semicolon here. See, semicolon here. A dot out. So this is showing the result ls. So our result compilation should be AC. Okay, here is also typing mistake. I have to make the correction. So I do not edit the video that you can see, and it is good for beginner to learn and understand. Here basically here is the information that semicolon is missing. Okay, so if you understand slowly you will get it. You see here character C, I did not here I forgot to use semicolon. That's all. And now GCC first. Now A dot out. You see this is our program. Integer 1, I want to print 1 and it is 1. Okay, and this is B float. This is printing B float. Okay, and character, I want to print character, it is printing character. This is all about variable data type. So this is data type integer, this is float data type, and this is character data type. And variable is something it is holds that value. Okay, A is holding 1, B is holding 1.4, C is holding A. So here is three things mainly you have to understand: integer, full value, and this is data type. What type of data? This is integer. This is float. It means it is fraction. And C character, it is letter type data. Okay, I explained that three type data. There is another also double and another boolean yes no. We don't need this for now as a beginner. Those are very new, do not understand anything, maybe confusing. So understand and practice this integer, float, and character. All right, and this is syntax you have to type when you want to print integer. It is D, float F, and character C. And this syntax you have to follow the syntax. And why return 0? Because integer main expect a integer value return. Okay, this is 0 is integer value, and here we do not have anything. Anyway, this is main concept: data type and variable. Data type integer, here is float, and here is character. Thank you very much to watch this video.